World-aligned UV mapping in Blender. Where is it? The closest we have is Cube Unwrap, which looks great until you peer closer and see a bunch of texture edges that don't line up. Cube unwrapping treats every object and sometimes every face as its own isolated island. It has no greater concern for the spatial context of your scene. The result is a fractured texture landscape. Now what if instead of looking inward at each object's local space, your UVs looked outward at the world? World Align 2 does things differently. It uses a foundational, rock-solid principle that's been in artists' toolkits since the 90s, projecting textures based on a universal global grid. With a single click, you can see not only your entire scene unwrapped, but every single surface maintaining proper, seamless alignment with everything else around it. Now, keeping to the grid also makes it easy to extend geometry without worrying about all the UVs fixes you have to do later. Another feature from the 90s, as yet fully unavailable in Blender, is unwrapping that respects the resolution of a material's underlying texture. Texture density gives the option to unwrap based on the pixels per meter. Now, the reason being it lets you maintain a consistent sharpness and image scale across every surface in your scene. This is especially useful for PSX-style graphics with visible pixels, since no one wants to see stretched pixels, come on. Yet it's also useful for high-resolution images, guaranteeing that the pixels of your materials are the same no matter what. Consistency down to the pixel! Yeah, pixel consistency! Texture density! I allow you to exist today. Of course, deliciously aligned world-projected mapping is just the first step, the solid foundation upon which to continue. To better tweak and fix your UVs to be just how you want them, Mallet UV Aligner has you covered. A set of tools to move, rotate and align textures to the edges of a face. And for the remaining inconsistencies, born of faces with a starkly different rotation, Inlet's latest add-on, Face Me, is here for you. A literal one-click solution that transforms, scales and rotates one UV to be perfectly connected, flush to the other one. You're welcome. Now check it out to see if it is for you or for me. Face me or face you. Would you like it to face you? It will. Once you get it, it now becomes your face me. It faces you and not me, but you faces you. Ah, see the logic? The logic is impenetrable. Impenetrable face you logic. Face me, face you.